everyone, today we are going to be repotting my daisy plant. This had 2 flowers and it just had its third one. Only half of its petals came up, but yeah, that's its third one. And then I'm pretty sure there's another one, as you can see, coming in there. There should be more coming in a few weeks. So today we are going to be repotting this beauty into this big pot here because this thing needs to grow even more to get a bunch of daisies. So let's get into it. So now we are going to get the plant out of its original pot. Oh, it came out really easily. Look at all those roots. It's a good thing that we're changing its pot. Right now, we're just gonna put it in there and secure it with some soil next to it. So, while I'm repotting this plant, I just wanted to mention that the soil I'm using here is an organic potting soil, and it's really, really good, and I highly suggest it. And another thing, if you look really, really closely, you'll see little baby buds coming in, and soon will be full-grown daisy plants, which is so cool. Also, don't forget that in the wintertime, this plant can actually stay up until it's around 50 degrees, and then the plant will start to not grow or have any improvements in it. So if it's below 50 degrees or something outside, make sure you take it in and keep it in a nice warm place where it can keep growing and it still has sunlight. Alright, now we are officially done repotting it, but we're not fully done because we still have to water it a little. Also, it's actually really, really easier to just keep it in a pot, so when it's cold outside, you could just keep it in, and when it's warm outside, you could take it out and keep it outside. And another thing, when you are repotting your daisy plant or any plant, you don't have to have any soil on the plant. You could fully take out all the soil and have the roots nice and free. And that's actually really, really good for the plant. So that's highly suggested. I didn't do it on here for my daisy plant, but it still works either way. And now we are officially done repotting our daisy plant. So you could actually grow this plant as an indoor plant or an outdoor plant. Either is fine, but make sure it has a lot of sunlight, either from a window or if it's an outdoor plant, it gets natural sunlight, which is great. And make sure that the soil for it is always nice and moist and it's never dry. So I would suggest watering it in the mornings because that's really, really good for your plant. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Another big thing, a daisy flower can stay up to 2 to 3 weeks, and once it fully dies out and it crumples up, make sure that you cut off its entire stem, starting from the bottomiest bottom where it started to grow up. And that bottomiest bottom place is called the crown. So make sure you cut off entire stem starting from the crown. So that's pretty much it. The daisy is very easy to take care of. So yeah, I hope you guys had a great time here, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!